Hello! This lesson will cover Go Math 11.2, which talks about triangles. There are three types of triangles when you classify by length. Equilateral triangles, think of equal, all equal sides. Isosceles triangles, think of a party hat with two equal sides. Scalene triangles, picture them as leaning over, and they have no equal sides. There are also three types of triangles when you classify by angle measures. There are right triangles, which have exactly one 90-degree right angle. There are acute triangles, which have all three acute angles. And then there's obtuse triangles, which have exactly one obtuse angle. A triangle can only be classified as one type from each category. So for sides, the triangle will be classified as either equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. And for angles, the triangle will be either classified as right, acute, or obtuse. We can use both side lengths and angle measures to classify triangles. Let's do an example. This triangle has all equal sides. That makes it an equilateral triangle. It also has all acute angles. That makes it an acute triangle. So this triangle is classified as an equilateral acute triangle. Here's another example. This triangle has no equal sides, so it's a scalene triangle. It also has all acute angles, so it's an acute triangle. That makes it a scalene acute triangle. Let's do another example. This triangle has two equal sides. That makes it an isosceles triangle. It also has one obtuse angle and two acute angles. That makes it an obtuse triangle. So this triangle is an obtuse isosceles triangle. Here's another example. The sides are given as 2, 5, and 3.8 inches. None are equal. That makes it a scalene triangle. The angles are given as 43, 116, and 21 degrees. With an obtuse angle, that makes it an obtuse triangle. Now it's time to work on some questions on your own. Pause your video whenever you see this hand pop up. That means it's your turn to work the question out on your own. Take your time, and when you're done, hit play to check your answer. Classify the triangle. Right, isosceles, scalene, or equilateral, then right, acute, obtuse, or right. This triangle has two equal sides, and one of the angles is given as 29 degrees. The answer is, it's an isosceles acute triangle. Classify the triangle. Right, isosceles, scalene, or equilateral. Then right, acute, obtuse, or right. Look at this triangle. The top angle is marked with a square, and none of the sides are equal. What do you think it is? It's a scalene right triangle. Let's classify this triangle. The sides are given as 23, 19, 14 millimeters. The angles are given as 87, 55.6, and 37.4 degrees. None of the sides are the same, and none of the angles are over 90. It's a scalene acute triangle. Anna says that she drew an acute right triangle. Is this possible? Explain. It's not possible, even though the other two angles are acute. Once a triangle has one right angle, it's classified as a right triangle, and it can only be classified as one. Great work! Thanks for watching 5 Minute Math.